Hey, so today I'm going to talk about how to make these things retract a little bit faster than that. All it is, there's a little spring inside of here that helps it coil up, and the metal kind of breaks down and loses its spring over time. So you got to take it apart and rewind that spring, and you put it back together and it works like new. So let's show you how to do that.
It must be Maintenance Monday. Woo! Let's get to work.
So step number one is you got to take this whole panel off of the screen. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on mine. So just pull it on off of there. Alright, so we got her down. Next thing we got to do is dismount the shade from this plate here. So the next step is you got to pick out these little covers. So you don't want to break them because we got to reuse them, but just slowly work them out. It requires a little bit of patience, but they will come out. There they go. Inside of there is Phillips heads. 4 nuts that need to come back off. You're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and your 8mm wrench. Just undo the nuts. Okay, and we like to clean this up every time we do it. We find you have to do it about every 2 years. So set that aside. So next step is you want to go ahead and separate the outer plastic pieces here. Wiggle them on out of there carefully. Because remember, a lot of this is old and brittle, so you don't want to break it. Then this just slides right out like so. And there you have it. You've taken it apart. So inside of here is this big long spring. And this spring is what actuates your shade up and down. So all we got to do is twist that spring on its axis and it'll have more power, and that's all there is to it. So once you get it all oiled up and clean, you just turn this side. Woo! See that? So this side here with the spade on it, you take the end and you just turn it. Let's see, what is that? Clockwise. And the more you turn it, the stronger it's going to be. It's that simple. You just turn it and turn it and turn it until it's as strong as it needs to be. Whoops. And you put it back together. That's it. Oh, no. That part can be a little frustrating. So once you get it all twisted up, you slide this on and lock her into place. Man, don't let go. Might need a few more turns. Okay, once you've reached this level, it's very important that you hold these two sides together so it doesn't come unwound. Perfect. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to put it back on the door. And that's all there is to it. Track's just fine, it didn't cost a dime.
Well, that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure enjoyed making it. Remember, I'm not an expert in this field. I'm just doing stuff from my own experience. In reality, I really don't know what I'm talking about. So do your research, do your homework, make sure you're doing it right yourself. Hey, let me tell you about Travel Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this stuff, Tuesdays, every single week, we release a video of all the wonderful places that we go. So check them out. They're right here. Yeah, right there. Over there. Somewhere around here. That's the one.